Looking for the perfect wreath to welcome guests and add a festive touch to your home this holiday season? A Christmas wreath is the ultimate way to set a warm seasonal vibe from the moment someone steps through your door. But with so many styles to choose from, how do you pick or create one that truly stands out? Stick around, because I'm about to share some stunning Christmas wreath ideas that suit every style, from classic to modern, DIY, and even luxe looks. What are some classic Christmas wreath ideas? Classic Christmas wreaths bring that timeless holiday charm and are perfect for adding warmth to any space. Here are a few traditional wreath ideas that never go out of style. Evergreen and pinecone wreath. Start with a base of lush evergreen branches and add pinecones, red berries, and a big red bow. This iconic style brings a natural, festive touch that's cozy and welcoming. Red and gold wreath. Go for a classic red and gold theme, using baubles, bows, and metallic accents. This color combination adds elegance and warmth, instantly making the wreath look polished and festive. Berry and holly wreath. Use a mix of holly leaves and red berries to capture the holiday spirit. This wreath is simple yet vibrant, and it looks perfect on any front door or mantle. If you're loving these classic wreath ideas, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who are ready to decorate for the holidays. How can you create a modern Christmas wreath for a sleek, stylish look? If you prefer a more contemporary aesthetic, there are plenty of ways to design a Christmas wreath that feels fresh and stylish while still celebrating the season. Here are some ideas for a sleek, modern look. Minimalist greenery wreath. Use a simple ring with a few sprigs of eucalyptus or pine, and leave part of the wreath bare for a minimalist touch. This understated design adds a fresh, airy vibe that's perfect for modern decor. Monochromatic wreath. Choose one color, like all white, silver, or gold, for a monochromatic look. Use ornaments, baubles, and ribbons in that color to create a sophisticated, streamlined wreath that stands out. Geometric wreath base. Use a geometric frame, such as a hexagon or triangle, instead of a traditional circle. Add a few small holiday accents, like mini ornaments or berries, for a unique, stylish twist. Which modern wreath idea are you excited to try this year? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more chic holiday decor ideas. What are some DIY Christmas wreath ideas that are budget-friendly? Creating your own wreath is a fun and affordable way to add a personal touch to your holiday decor. Here are some budget-friendly DIY wreath ideas that look fantastic and are easy to make. Ornament wreath. Pick up a pack of inexpensive ornaments in your favorite colors and attach them to a wire wreath frame. This colorful, sparkly wreath is simple to make and brings a lot of holiday cheer. Ribbon wreath. Choose ribbons in holiday colors like red, green, and gold, and tie them around a wreath form. The result is a full, festive wreath that's perfect for doors or windows, and it's completely customizable. Pinecone wreath. Collect pine cones and glue them onto a circular base. Add a touch of white paint or glitter to the pine cones for a snow-kissed look that's rustic and charming. If you're a fan of DIY projects, hit that subscribe button for more creative and budget-friendly holiday decor ideas you can make yourself. What are some DIY Christmas wreath ideas that are budget-friendly? Creating your own wreath is a fun and affordable way to add a personal touch to your holiday decor. Here are some budget-friendly DIY wreath ideas that look fantastic and are easy to make. Ornament wreath. Pick up a pack of inexpensive ornaments in your favorite colors and attach them to a wire wreath frame. This colorful, sparkly wreath is simple to make and brings a lot of holiday cheer. Ribbon wreath. Choose ribbons in holiday colors like red, green, and gold, and tie them around the wreath form. The result is a full, festive wreath that's perfect for doors or windows, and it's completely customizable. Pinecone wreath. Collect pine cones and glue them onto a circular base. Add a touch of white paint or glitter to the pine cones for a snow-kissed look that's rustic and charming. If you're a fan of DIY projects, hit that subscribe button for more creative and budget-friendly holiday decor ideas you can make yourself. What are some unique Christmas wreath ideas for a non-traditional look? Looking to make your holiday decor stand out this year? Here are some unique wreath ideas that add a creative twist and bring personality to your space. Succulent Christmas wreath. Use faux or real succulents to create a green, modern wreath. This fresh take on a Christmas wreath adds texture and is perfect for those who love a little greenery year-round. Floral Christmas wreath. Add winter flowers like poinsettias, roses, or anemones to your wreath. A floral wreath looks both festive and elegant and brings a refreshing twist to traditional holiday decor. Rustic wood slice wreath. Attach small wood slices to a wreath form and decorate with mini pine cones and berries. This woodsy wreath is great for a rustic Christmas theme and adds a cozy, cabin-inspired look. Which unique wreath idea are you most excited to try this holiday season? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to check out the description for links to similar decor items. How can you make a family-friendly Christmas wreath? Making a family-friendly wreath can be a fun holiday project, and everyone can pitch in to add their own creative touch. Here are some ideas for creating a wreath that's both festive and meaningful. Handprint wreath. Trace each family member's hand on felt or colored paper. Cut them out and glue them around a wreath base to form a circle. This personalized wreath makes a wonderful keepsake and is easy for kids to help make. Photo ornament wreath. Attach small photo ornaments with pictures of family members, pets, and special moments. This wreath is both decorative and filled with memories, making it a heartwarming addition to your decor. DIY ornament wreath. Have each family member pick out or create an ornament that represents them and attach them to a wreath. This fun project results in a wreath that's full of personality and shows off everyone's unique style. If you're planning a family wreath-making session, be sure to share this video to inspire other families to create their own meaningful holiday decorations. So there you have it, 6 beautiful, creative, and family-friendly Christmas wreath ideas to bring festive cheer to your home. Whether you're going for a classic look, a luxurious vibe, or something completely unique, these wreath ideas will make your holiday decor extra special. Remember, the best decorations are the ones that make you smile. So have fun and let your wreath reflect the holiday spirit.